Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is complex tissue. In the last class we have seen about the meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Permanent tissue is divided into two types, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue. So the complex tissue are made up of more than one type of cells that work together as a unit. Okay. So the complex tissue consists of parenchyma and sclerenchyma. There are two types of complex permanent tissue. They are xylem and phloem. Xylem is a conducting tissue. It contains water, mineral, nutrients in the upward from root to leaves. Okay, so it is a unidirectional because xylem carries minerals from roots to leaves in the upward direction. Xylem is called dead tissue because all the components present in this tissue are dead. It is composed of four types of cells: xylem tracheates, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma. Xylem tracheates, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma. So these three types of cells are dead cell, okay, because there is no protoplasm, but it is a living cell. Xylem tracheates. These are elongated or tube-like dead cell, okay. They have thick cell walls and it is a lignified cell, and they do not have protoplast and nucleus. They have large lumen, okay, and these tracheates are dead cells. The main function of tracheate is to transport water and it provides mechanical support for plants. The main function of tracheate is to transport water and it provides the mechanical support of plants. Okay. Xylem fibers. These cells are non-living sclerenchyma cells and it consists of dead cells. These cells are found in between the tracheates and xylem vessels of the xylem tissue. And these cells are elongated and lignified. The main function is to transport and store water in plants. It transports water from downward to upward direction and it provides mechanical support to the plants. Okay, it provides mechanical support to the plants. Xylem vessels. These are long cylindrical tube-like structure. They have lignified walls. Xylem vessels are long tubes. It helps to transport water. It provides the mechanical strength and it is a lignified dead cells. Here the nucleus and cytoplasm are absent. They do not have protoplast. Main function of xylem vessel is to transport water. Xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma is a living tissue and it have thin walled cells. Okay, it have thin walled cells. It stores food in the plants. It is a living tissue and it stores starch and fat. It is found in the soft part of the plant and fruits. What is the main function? It stores starch and fatty substance. Next, we are going to discuss about phloem. Phloem is a conducting tissue and phloem is a complex tissue. What is the main function of phloem tissue? It transports food to the parts of the plants. It is made up of a living tissue. Phloem conducting a food material. Okay, it consists of four elements. They are C elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. C elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. C elements. The conducting elements of phloem are collectively called sieve elements. The conducting element of phloem are collectively called sieve elements. The sieve tubes are elongated and it is a tube-like structure. So these cells are placed end to end. And the sieve elements are the major conducting cell in phloem. Major conducting cell in phloem. It transports organic component to the plant. phloem contains sieve tubes. It is made up of living cells, and these cells are joined end to end. The living cells of phloem are called sieve tubes. Okay, the living cells of phloem are called sieve tubes. And the end wall of the cell in the phloem have sieve plates. Once again, listen carefully. The phloem contains sieve tubes. It is made up of living cells. These cells are joined end to end. The living cells of phloem are called sieve tubes. The living cells of phloem are called sieve tubes. Okay. The end wall of cell in the phloem have sieve plates. The main function of the sieve tube is to transport sugar and nutrients. And what is the main function? The main function is to translocation of food from leaves to the storage organ of the plants. Next one is companion cells. These are elongated cells and these are attached to the lateral walls, and it is a living cell, and the companion cells have cytoplasm, and these cells helps to transport food. Next one, phloem parenchyma. These cells are a living cells and they are thin wall elongated cylindrical cell. Okay, cylindrical cell. Cytoplasm and nucleus are present in parenchyma. And what is the main function? It storage food material. It storage food material. Next, the last component of phloem is phloem fibers. Already you know the fibers is a division of sclerenchyma cell. And the sclerenchyma is made up of fibers and sclereids. These are the dead cells. They do not have protoplast. They are lignified cells and these are elongated cells. The main function is to provide mechanical strength to the plant body. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.